ASPI is trending. This is Friday, the 9th of January 2026, pre-market session. It is up 14.13%, intraday high $7.39. The stock is trending after completing its strategic acquisition of Renergen, a move that integrates helium and LNG production into its operations, strengthening the company's foothold in high demand industrial gases. The acquisition, coupled with a recent overweight analyst rating from Cantor Fitzgerald, has sparked heightened interest among investors and the trading community. Market participants are viewing these developments as key differentiators for ASPI within the rapidly growing nuclear and advanced materials sector. Particular attention is focused on the company's potential in supplying high-assay low-enriched uranium for next generation nuclear reactors and silicon 28 for AI computing applications, areas expected to experience a substantial demand over the coming years. Community discussions emphasize the company's strategic positioning in what some are calling an emerging atomic renaissance, highlighting the company's capability to capitalize on both energy innovation and advanced materials. Anticipation is building around projected revenue streams, upcoming technological developments, and the potential for strategic, or rather for further strategic acquisitions that could cement the company as a key player in these high growth markets. Okay, so let's see what we have here on its 4-hour chart, which is reflecting what's going on right now. Okay, so the extrapolation seems to be suggesting that a contraction is possible. Yeah, we should expect that, even though the market grid is indicating that it has a potential to probably test the highs of 7.47, indeed, up to 7.67. Yeah, 7.67. That will be, yeah, that will be a new that will be a new intraday high. In the midst of all of this, the Fibonacci projections are indicating 7.85, 8.47, 8.86. Let's see now. Let's have a look at its daily chart. The underlying trend on its daily chart is a bullish one. Okay, the extrapolation seems to be suggesting that let's not read too much into that. Yeah, here we have it has blown through all of these market grid projections. Yeah, previous projections on this daily chart include up to 8.02, 9.06, 9.7. It has had an intraday high, a 52-week high of around 14.09 as of the 14th of October. So let's see what the momentum is going to tell us on the 4-hour chart. Let's return to the 4-hour chart and see what's going on there. That's with regard to the momentum. Okay, momentum is expected to remain elevated up till Monday, 12th of January. Yeah, so after that, some contraction may begin to play out. There's no guarantee that will be the case at all. No guarantee at all. So let's see now. Let's find our probabilities. The nearest peak it has will be 979. What's the probability of that happening? Less than 50% of that happening. Okay, so we could also have a look at its 1 minute chart to see 1 minute chart to see the sort of projections we have here, given that we have an intraday high. Let's see what we have here. 7.23. We want to see something higher than that. 7.66. Okay. We want to see something higher than $7. Let's see what we have on a 2 minute chart. 7.31. No. Let's look at the 3 minute chart. Yeah, we have 8.09, 8.45, 8.67 on this 3 minute chart. Let's look at the 5 minute chart. 6.55. Okay, I think we've seen enough on the 3 minute chart. Yeah, 8.09, 8.45, 8.67. Yeah, we'll make do with those. So yeah, the stock is currently trending. That's what's going on right now with ASPI. It doesn't trade a lot of shares. Um, the volume so far, before we get to the volume, okay, it as things stand right now. It's not that liquid, but I don't think they mind. They're trading the stock regardless of the liquidity, the lack of liquidity. Yeah, okay. We have okay. It has improved now. You can see here, you buy here and you sell here. You just want that sort of a spread. You don't want anything higher than that. You just want a 1 cent spread. You want just pretty much what you want. Let's see what's going on. Is it let's see. Yeah, orders here for 7.5, 7.49, 7.55. Anything higher than that? Okay, that's the highest. 7.55 is, I think, is the highest. It's aligns with the 7.41 intraday high, 7.46 intraday high we've seen here. Yeah, so they're not expecting anything higher than that. Okay, not a lot of shares have crossed the tape as well. Okay, it's optionable. Are we going to see anything? Any chance of seeing something here on the options grid? I doubt if this is going to load. Yeah, it's we have something here. Yeah. Okay, we have nothing really that's going to worry. Okay, we have $10. Okay, not so much, but for now, nothing is worrying market because they're not. You can see the delta is 0.08. So you multiply all of this. You multiply this by 100. You multiply this contract by 100. You have 3.3 million. Yeah, you have 3.3 million, 3.3 million shares, and then you also multiply by 0.08. So that will give you that value will give you what they will have to buy in terms of shares. It's less than 3.3 million. Yeah. Okay, we could just quickly do. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we don't need to. I mean, it doesn't matter that much. All right. So thank you very much for watching this video.